What's going on, guys? It's Trevor here with Art Isn't Cakes, and we are talking about how to fold this super easy bakery box. All right, guys, the first step is to just unfold it. When we do that, we see all of these different lines. So we got lines along here, lines along here. These are all where the creases need to be. So let's just start folding along the creases, and then we'll come back. Guys, we want to keep you updated on all the latest happenings here at Art Isn't Cakes. If you haven't already, make sure and like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Vimeo. We want to keep you guys inspired in your baking endeavors. All right, guys, we have a creased bakery box now. So first thing we're going to do is put the sidewall up like that, and there's a little indentation here on the sidewall, and you put that tab inside that indentation. So it's like that. But you see there's a little tab right here that needs to be folded in order to hold everything in place. So what you're going to do, you're going to flip it over, look inside, and you're going to fold this tab in like this. And that pulls that little tab in, so now you have it perfectly secured, and it's not going to go anywhere. We're going to do the same thing with all the other tabs. Make sure to do the back corners first. That way you can slide your cake in easily without damaging any of the frosting or decorations. Come over on the inside and then just fold that out, and you have a perfectly secure box. Just fold the top over and attach these two sides to the sides of the box with tape. Then this latch goes over the bottom latch like that, and there you have a perfect bakery box. Guys, not only do we have an incredible retail store here, we also have a classroom in the back of the store. You can sign up for live classes taught by our owner and renowned edible artist, Natalie Madison. So guys, that's a great opportunity. It's super fun. Come check that out. But if you guys aren't local, head over to our website at artisancakes.com, because we have all of our products on the website where you can order them from there. So guys, we got you covered as far as baking supplies. Keep making those amazing cakes and desserts, because we know art isn't cakes.